Hi friends! Today we are making a 15-minute cream dill salmon that's better than restaurant. First, pat the salmon dry. Season with a little sea salt and black pepper. Rub it evenly on both sides. And let it sit for a few minutes. Now let's make a quick creamy dill sauce. Start with some spicy mayo, brown sugar, finely chop some fresh dill, then mince 2 cloves of garlic. And a drizzle of olive oil. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. Then season with black pepper and sea salt. Mix everything well. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half. And that's everything we need. Heat a pan over medium heat. Add a little olive oil. Then place the salmon in the pan. Cook one side first. Then gently flip it over. Be careful not to break it. Once it's done, place the salmon on a plate with the dill sauce at the bottom. Garnish with cherry tomatoes. And a wedge of lemon. Thanks for cooking with me. If you enjoy quick meals under 30 minutes, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.